All right, so I have the famous walk out of the garage. What's up, everybody? Sorry, it's been a while, and I've been trying to find you guys something new. Well, something the same, but new. All right, let me show you what we have. Look, we have another element. This is the Save the Element channel, and this is a all-wheel drive black element. Honestly, I don't know what year it is. I have to look it up, but I just got her like right now, and she runs. She needs some love. Probably replace this front bumper. It's wrong color. I mean, I could paint it, but I don't think I want to do that. But she's all the way from Utah, and I don't know too much about it. So let's take a look at it real quick. It's got a big dent right here. Ooh. I can fix it though. Oh, did I lock it? I don't think I locked it. And I didn't see it had a key fob either, and that was kind of interesting. So let's start from this side and see what we have back here. Let's see here. All right, got some junk. Oh snap! Got some shoes. Got some Nikes. Got some Hey Dudes. Oh yeah, I'm definitely keeping these. Christmas special. Oh, and the 11. Sorry, T. Keeping those. I'll wash them. It'll be all right. But yeah, we missing a seat. So I had to go to the junkyard and find another seat. Cause it's kind of weird be having three. For me, yeah, I would actually just take that one out. But yeah, I want to find another seat, and then we're gonna do it now. And it just need clean. It's not bad. It's not bad. And it doesn't smell bad at all. Everything is actually just need wiping down, and throw away the trash. The body is actually really good. Besides that dent there. Let's see here. It's got like some stuff all over it. It's all sprayed over it. And a little dent there. Not too bad. I probably could just pull that back out and not worry about those two little there. Let's see what we got here. See, and you know another thing I noticed that I haven't seen, and that door's stiff. It needs some lube. I never seen an element without the subwoofer. Huh? Who thunk it? But you just need throw away some trash. I mean, it's actually really, really clean. Even the steering wheel is nice. Headliner is somewhat, yeah, no, it's clean. It's clean enough. A little seat damage. That's like a tradition for Honda Elements. If you don't have that damage, you're not driving your Element. Or if you got it fixed, or put seat covers. I don't know. But no, it's see if it looks, yeah, it's black. Kind of can't tell with the dirt. I thought about cleaning it because I actually went in the house and changed my clothes, and then I decided not to because I haven't ate all day and I'm hungry. So after I do this video, I'm going outside and eat and watch TV or something. But we need a new bumper. The headlights I'm going to keep. I can actually restore those. I don't think it's going to be that hard, but just sand them down, buff them out, or even clear coat them. I can even do that. That's not no problem. But I will upgrade those to LEDs and put LEDs in it. This one, is it just me? This one looks like it's pointing that way, and this one looks like it's pointing that way. Probably need some adjustment there, because I noticed that this alignment is kind of off. So that tells me it's been replaced or something hit that, and that's probably why they got a new bumper. Because they had a little fender bender, which is fine. Everything is fixable. Let's take a look over here. Like I said, this is all clean. Nothing new besides that there. Let's take a look under the hood. I'm gonna have to get another knob there because it's broken. It's broken off, and it's as is, so no warranties. So we can't take it back. Even though it's not going back, it's just gonna get fixed. Let's see what we have. Ooh, Jesus! Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Let me put this on there. Okay, here we go. There we go. Dirty girl. Ooh, she oily too. She real oily. power steering leak. We're gonna have to fix that. Probably just need a new clamp, maybe, or it's just oil coming from the power steering fluid coming up. You know, it could be there. Oh, that looks like a new pulley. Yep, that's a new pulley there. Valve cover gasket may be leaking. I do have another one, so that's not a biggie. Gonna have to replace the battery, because I was told it probably needs to be replaced. So we're gonna replace it anyway, just to make sure. Replace the brake fluid. We're gonna replace transmission fluid, transmission filter, oil filter, VTEC filter, because there's a little screen back there in that VTEC, and if you don't clean them, your car will lose performance. And it's another one right there. That one I hardly ever touch, but if I have to, I will. It's not a biggie, and I probably will, since I want to find out what's leaking over there. And I probably have to clean everything before I can be 100% sure what's leaking. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, I wanted to show you guys. I know I already showed you that dent, but these have valve, what is that called? Hubcaps. And I thought all Elements didn't. I thought they have alloys, but not. And another thing I noticed is that these cladding are black. I thought it was gray. It's black. I never seen that, but it's gray, black. Yeah, they're black. Huh, that's cool. But overall, if you can see down the side, the body is actually really straight, besides that dent. But over here, it's all pretty much straight. Now the hood has a little ding right there. The windshield has a major crack, so we're going to replace that. We want to make sure the car is 100%. That needs to be replaced. And I think maybe definitely going to change the diff, the rear diff fluid. Definitely going to get replaced. Brakes, all around brake pads and rotors going to be replaced. I think out of everything, getting it done, even buying a new bumper and doing all the work, doing everything, but all the parts, I think we should be on no more than $800 to $1,000 at the most. And that's actually a little bit more. I think maybe a little bit less than $800, because, well, a lot of this stuff doesn't cost that much. I think the most expensive thing is going to be the brakes and the battery. Bumper is only $100 something. Now that seat, I don't know if I could find one. Hopefully in a junkyard I could find one. It's probably going to be like, I'm hoping to catch it on a sale day, because it'd only be $15. But if not, it'd be like $50 for that back seat, because they have a ton of them usually. And no, the roof looks pretty good. I just noticed that. And it's all-wheel drive, if you guys didn't notice. Oh, that's what year it is. It's a 2000. Oh, let me take you closer. 2006. Honda Element. It says blue, but it's black. 186,000 miles. That's actually really good for a Honda Element, especially all-wheel drive. Because all these this Joker pushing 360. This one 200. This one's 284, I believe. And she's looking pretty good, don't y'all think? Yeah, I didn't even show you guys this. I repainted it a while ago, videos ago, but I still got the top to buff out. But it's all been cut and buffed. New spoiler. Well, it's the same one. I just painted it, made it look nice. Also color matched the mirrors, so she'll look nice. But she looks pretty good. She actually got a new front bumper on her. That's those water leaks. Just if you guys want to know. But she's really, really, really shiny and very, very nice. I mean, she still look a little, wavy, but not too bad. And she's shinier than this one, so as long as, and see how the shininess is different, because I haven't buffed the top. That's the only thing that's left. And I think I got to fix something with the radio, because it's sticking out a little bit too far. And this one actually needs a windshield on it, but I'm gonna let my sister handle that, because this is her car. I want her to fix on it. I will help her with anything she need help with, but this is her car. I want her to fix some of the little stuff. And it does. I think it needs a new back bumper. The sides, I mean, it's got that little gouge right there. That gives it character. It's been used. But the spoiler, it came out really nice. I think this spoiler was like $200 off of eBay, and I put that foam padding underneath it so to seal it up really good. Even though this is all, it drains out, but I don't want it to rust or anything, so I put that pad around it so it won't you know, get rust or anything. But it's all been painted underneath there, so I'm not gonna worry about it. But like I said, back on the black one, we do need, I was going to, but it's a little late. I think it's like 5:30, and the sun is all the way back over there, so I'll wait till tomorrow. As soon as I get off of work, we'll just jump on it, bring you guys out, and we'll just start cleaning. And the first thing I'm going to do is clean the engine, because I want to start on that, check everything on that, make sure it's going to be good to go. Because otherwise, I drove it. It drives fine. It's actually really quiet. I do hear a little bit of exhaust leak on it, and something in the back. It's element. So one of the bushings or ball joints or something, they go bad. So that's one of the things I want to check. And like I said, I did the braking, I did hear that, and I want to switch these out. I want to put some of those on there. So if my sister get new wheels, I'm actually gonna have those to put on here or sell them to me or something. But yeah, but I'm all element out. I got elements everywhere, and I know you guys, I've been trying to find something, keep you guys interested. We're trying to save every element out there, because these cars are nice. I don't know why Honda would stop making them. It doesn't make any sense, but we're going to try to keep every element out there back on the road, and this is not it. I'm looking for more. I have so many people that want an element, so I'm gonna keep looking. Let's see if I get this down here. That's good enough. But I'm gonna keep looking for more, because I have a line. Basically, I do have a lot of people that want an element, so I gotta look for more. And this one's already spoke for. It's going to somebody here locally, and it's already spoken for. And as the way I'm looking at it, if I can get all the parts as soon as possible, and it doesn't get too cold, I probably could get this done in a month. I mean, it could be done a lot faster, and then I won't have anything for you guys to see. So I want to take my time on it, so you guys can see everything. But until then, if you guys have any questions, and like I said, I will be also bringing my scooters on the channel as well. I know a lot of you guys probably don't want to see that, but I'm gonna bring them anyway, because I like scooters. I have 5 now. Yeah, 5. It's a little much, but I got another video for the scooters coming soon too. Some repairs, and I have another scooter coming. It's a black one. You guys are going to see that soon. My PCX, the red one, I need to get finished that one. That one's pretty much done. I just got to mount the air pressure gauge and paint it. That's pretty much it. Oh, and put speakers. That's it for that one, and get it on the road, because the way that it's designed, I can't buy any aftermarket wheels or anything like that. I'll have to have something custom made, and right now that's not gonna be done. I want to get my other scooter. I'm gonna start on that one. That one's it's gonna be a longer project, because it's gonna be 100% customized, and I don't know why my neighbor's air conditioner is on. It's kind of cool out here. It's like 70 or 74. It doesn't, I don't know. Anyway, so until then, guys, thank you so much for watching, and like I said, I will bring more videos on this element for sure. I will drop like I've been doing. Well, the last couple weeks I haven't, but I will try to drop a video every week. So thank you guys so much. Please comment, like, subscribe, and later.